Willa Naylor hija tifla ta' 8 snin li twildet tifel, però feta bikrija ntebħet li ridet tgħix ta' tifla u mhux tifel. L-esperjenza tagħha għamlitha fi Ktieb li ppreżentatu lill-Ministri Evarist Bartolo u Helena Dalli. Wara li ppreżentat il-ktieb Truli Willa spjegat il-ħsieb tagħha.
My book is about my story from the beginning when I started transitioning, after and before. I would like it to help a lot of kids in the world, and I hope a lot of people buy it.
Il-Ministru Helena Dalli saħqet fuq l-importanza ta' kotba bħal dawn u qalet li dan mhux biss jgħin li tfal jagħmlu kuraġġ, iżda anke lill-ġenituri fejn huma jifhmu r-realtà u jaċċettaw lil uliedhom irrispettivament mill-ġeneru tagħhom.
My experience has been very, very well. A lot of people have accepted me, and I'm very happy that it's gone really well.
Il-Ministru Bartolo żied jgħid li ma nistgħux nitkellmu fuq l-imħabba lejn it-tfal imbagħad ma naċċettawhomx kif veru jixtiequ li jkunu. Spjega wkoll kif minkejja li l-leħen tal-istudenti huwa wieħed dgħajjef illum il-ġurnata se jsibu l-għajnuna kollha biex isemmaw leħinhom dan anke permezz tat-teknoloġija. Willa qablet perfettament ma' dan u kellha appell ċar.
I would like to tell them to be brave even when it's hard, because there's hope at the end of the tunnel, sort of thing. And I would like them to be stronger as well.
Il-ġenituri ta' Willa spjegaw kif kienet ix-xewqa tat-tifla li twassal messaġġ u huma aċċettaw ix-xewqa tagħha anke jekk kellhom ċertu biża'. Minkejja l-età tagħha, Willa sabet l-appoġġ tal-ġenituri fejn minn barra li aċċettaw id-deċiżjoni spjegaw kif se jkomplu jgħinuha tul ħajjitha kollha.
Concerns. I mean, a transgender person's life is always going to have certain difficult tasks to overcome in life, but I'm not overly concerned. As long as we keep supporting her and she's happy and she's loved, we'll tackle each thing as it comes.